Welcome back to another episode of the Skintelligent Sundays podcast. We're officially in week 2 of the Winterize Your Skin month. And if your skin has been feeling tight but still having breakouts, this episode is designed specifically for you. And one of the most common winter mistakes is confusing dry skin with dehydrated skin. Most melanin skin is dehydrated in colder months, not truly dry. Dehydrated skin lacks water and dry skin lacks oil. Let me repeat that. Dehydrated skin lacks water and dry skin lacks oil. And in winter, you need both, but in the right order. Hydration always comes first. Ingredients like glycerin, hyaluronic acid, and aloe helps replenish the water in the skin. Once hydration is in place, you seal up a moisturizer that'll support the barrier. So when you skip hydration and jump straight to heavy creams, the skin will still look dull, and now you're dealing with congestions and possible breakouts. Gentle foliage also matters in the winter. Not scrubs, not daily acids, just enough to remove buildup so hydration can actually penetrate. Glow in winter isn't about piling on products, it's about layering with intention. Glow in winter isn't about piling on products, it's about layering with intention. All right, if you want help figuring out whether your skin is dry, dehydrated, or both, and how to layer properly, I broke it all down in my free winter skincare guide. You can grab that now at Divine Skin, and this will also be in your show notes. Okay, next week we're talking about hyperpigmentation and why winter is when dark spots quietly get worse. So stay with me, y'all, and I'll see you next Sunday.
of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Elegant boy, beautiful girl. Dancing for joy, elegant world. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Ooh. Rich as the night, afro blow. Two worlds are face to face with undulating grace. Your jelly sway slip away to some secluded place. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Dream of a land my soul is from. I hear a hand stroke on the drum. Yeah. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Elegant boy, beautiful girl. Dancing for joy, elegant world. Shades of delight, cocoa hue. Rich as the night, afro blue. Two lovers are face to face with undulating grace. Gently sway and slip away to some secluded place. Shades